Hola, buenos días. Hoy es miércoles, el 25 de marzo, y estamos aquí de nuevo. Bueno, Español uno. We're talking about how to say I like things or don't like things, and things bore me, or I'm interested, or I care about things. Remember, there's a couple quick notes. So if I ask Groot here, I say, "Oh, Groot, ¿te gusta el chocolate?" And if he spoke in Spanish, he would say, "Ah, sí, a mí me gusta el chocolate," or "No, no me gusta el chocolate." But if I ask him something about, like, do you like, ¿te gustan los árboles? Do you like trees? Notice that I said te gustan with an N, con N, porque es plural. Árboles, plural. So, sí, a mí me gustan los árboles. Same with aburre, aburren, interesa, interesan. So remember that when you're putting those together. Now the other part is if you're doing an action, like, do you like to talk? Te gusta hablar. Hablar stays in the infinitivo. And you always use the gusta, aburre, interesa, the singular. So, quick note. Español dos. El imperfecto. Está en el pasado. Things that happened. Okay, things that were happening, things that used to happen. There are a bunch of rules that I will send out, but again, keeping it simple. Yo hablaba con mi familia. By changing the ending, hablaba, you can go from yo hablé, I spoke to my family, to hablaba, I was talking to my family, or I used to speak to my family. Español tres. You seem to have a little trouble with the subjunctive, okay? Remember, every time you have to have all the parts. If all the parts are there, you use a subjunctive. It's kind of nice because if they're not there, you don't use it, okay? And there's some confusion between what is the irregular, okay? So if I talk about the presente, yo hablo, yo hablé, el pretérito, yo hablaba, el imperfecto, yo hablaré, I will talk. Those are all in the indicative mood. Then you flip to the subjunctive mood, and we only learn the present. And that's where you flip the ending that we talked about. You know that. But you need things like yo deseo que hables conmigo. So I hope that you talk to me. Okay, remember, you need those three things. You conjugate, okay, even using tener miedo de que, I'm afraid of something. Yo mando que, I order somebody to do something. You have the first one, conjugated normalmente. And then we have the que, and then the subjunctive. So if you did your homework and didn't do it correctly, please redo it. Espanol cuatro. Thank you for the meeting yesterday. It was good to see you guys, even though most of you just had woken up. Bueno, I have an idea. I think you guys should send me un video hablando en español, speaking in Spanish. Use what we're working on. I will give bonus points to the first 5 personas in cada clase. So, Spanish 1, each class, periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Es mucho. Send me a very short snippet of you speaking español, first 5 from each class. Pura vida.